This is the story of the word
Done.
Ikan biya.
a word so small, but the meaning behind really big. You see, it's one word that ties many stories.
Chicken pie.
When the trader hears that the bank transfer is successfully,
Done.
he sees his dreams take off one by one. And for Supplier Singh, we make sure all his business banking needs are well taken care of.
Done.
So he can sit back, live more, bank less. And Geeta and Damna, they miss no details. Stay focused and put in the hard work so that their manager can say,
Done.
and then comes an eagerly awaited moment when the business loan approval is,
Done.
and when all this and more is done. This little kiddo can grab his favorite chips and smile when his mom says,
Done.
Fields to factories, businesses big and small who trust their spark count on DBS to ensure all their business banking is done.